I'm trying to see if this shit on right now. I'm trying to see. I'm using this new software and shit, y'all. Hold up. Ah, we are live. Damn. Yeah, I'm getting all this shit ahead. Let me make sure this shit not echoing, y'all. Hold on. Before I get started to this shit. Let me make sure this shit not echoing. We are live. Alright, bet. Alright, what's good with y'all boys, man? Look. What the fuck? Get this shit off the screen. Yeah, but what's good with y'all boys, man? What the fuck? This shit still on the screen? Thank you. But yeah, what's good with y'all boys, man? I was gonna make a hotbox session just talking about all this shit, but I just decided, you know what, bro, fuck it, let's just go live. But yeah, I got all this shit in my notes right now. So, it's been a minute since I talked to y'all boys. I think my last post was like 6 days ago or some shit like that. It was a minute ago, bro. Damn, this shit on mad volume. It was a minute ago, bro. But I'm gonna just tell y'all about what's been going on with me in the combine right now. So anybody who's going through the combine and shit, bro, this is what I've been doing this shit, right? So basically, bro, like my first phase, I passed it pretty easily. Cause what I was doing was I was really like going in on the 1 minute, using supply and demand. Like I'll see like a good 5 minute supply and demand, and I'll like scale down to the 1 and get in and get high risk to rewards. So I was like, "Bet this is great. Like everything's doing good." Then I got to the second phase, but I got to the second phase and then we started breaking. I was like, "Damn!" And I remember I was having a debate. I was like, "Bro, do I want to just really just start like getting aggressive only?" And that shit really hit me, bro. Like, man, it's so much shit with just getting aggressive and waiting on rejection, bro. Cause like I said, you getting rejection and you winning, you getting good risk reward and shit. Everything is great. Like everything is literally great, bro. Until fucking you go on that losing streak, bro. You be like, damn. I wish I would have waited on fucking rejection, bro, on me. What the fuck? Yeah, you be like, I should have just waited on rejection. And that's my thing. I'm still trying to figure out how exactly do I want to do supply and demand. But it's just trial and error. So I'm on my second phase, bro. You know how long it's been since I passed the first phase of the combine again, bro? Without over leveraging? Like, literally, I'm only risking 1% per trade. Right now in the second phase, I'm down like 5%. Like, I started off terrible. Like, I started the second phase terrible. And even though I'm down, bro, it's not like nothing in my mind that's telling me like, hey, bro, risk 2% to get it back. Like, no, bro. That's what I see with everybody problem with the combine now, and that's what I want to talk about. Like, when it comes to the combine, bro, they gave me 60 days on phase 2, bro. 60 days. I'm not finna sit here and rush, bro, because I feel like that's what people like, they're trying to pass the combine as soon as possible. I gotta pass that bitch. Like, bro, at the end of the day, my nigga, bro, if you sit there and be like, bro, I'm finna just start risking 3-4% per trade so I can pass the combine as soon as possible, you may pass. Like, I'll give you credit. You might actually pass, but does that mean you're profitable? Passing the combine is not the end all be all, bro. And I had to learn that. Like, I passed my shit. I even got a withdrawal in. I ended up blowing my shit. Like, passing is not the end all be all, bro. Like, you want to focus on being profitable. When you just start over leveraging to pass the combine and shit, bro, like, alright, bro. Like I said, even if you do pass, are you really truly profitable, bro? Are you truly profitable, or did you just over leverage and pass? That's what you gotta ask yourself. He said, what up, gang? Trial and error, create experience, but discipline is key. Hey, on God, bro. That's the thing, bro. Niggas don't understand, bro. Like, it's really the discipline. Like I said, if you start risking 2%, like what I found myself doing, I'll start off, I'll be like, yeah, bro, I'm finna risk 2% per trade. I'm over here doing the math. I'm like, alright, if I get 1-to-1 leave runner, or if I get this and I'm risking 2%, then I'll pass in these amount of wins. And then next thing you know, brick. Dang, bro, I'm down like 6% now. I'm finna go down back to 1%. and then you slowly gotta crawl your way back out. Like instead of you just risk 1%, like you could have easily been back. You know what I'm saying? Like that was definitely my problem, bro, on me. And I want to talk to y'all boys about this specifically too, bro. Like one thing I realized about trading, bro, it's so much ego involved in trading, bro. Like everybody has an ego to a certain point, but in trading, bro, that's all you really be hearing, bro. Like, and the thing is about it, bro, niggas have egos on all types of shit. Like, say one person doesn't use indicators, and they teaching niggas. They be like, yeah, I don't use indicators, nothing wrong with it. Everybody else would be like, oh yeah, bro, if you use indicators, bro, you trash, bro. Such and such say you don't use indicators. Like, bro, there are profitable traders out there who use indicators, bro. There are profitable traders out there who scout. There are profitable traders that fucking swing. It's just whatever, you know what I'm saying? Whatever you fuck with, whatever you're getting your bread off of. Like, that's what people fail to understand. Like, it's not all cookie cut. It's not all black and white. It's like, oh, you need to trade this type of way or you won't be profitable. You know what I'm saying? Because if it was that way, we would all be trading the exact same strategy. Like, you know, we got the smart money niggas. I don't even want to talk about them. They toxic. I mean, the trading community is toxic, but you know the smart money niggas be like, yeah, bro. If you're not using smart money, bro, then you won't be successful. And I mean, there's niggas out there who eat with support resistance. I don't fuck with support resistance. I'm not trading that shit, but there's niggas out there who eat with that shit. Like, I remember that shit was funny as fuck. I still remember I told the chat in my Discord, I was like, hey, I'm finna throw on this one indicator. Niggas was like instantly, hey, take that shit off, nigga. Yeah, like, take that shit off. I'm like, damn. I'm like, damn, nigga. I'm just throwing one on to see the fucking the 200 EMA. That's all I'm throwing on. But I understand, because it is some niggas who strictly trade off indicators, what I don't agree with. But there's nothing wrong with using the indicator to fucking, if you already got a bias, like technical bias and shit, it's not wrong with using it to see if it's online and shit like that. But like I said, I don't see nothing wrong with that, bro. It says, I personally risk 25% or 0.5. Sometimes one of them really good. But all my trades, yeah, see, that's the thing, though. That's the thing. I'm glad you said that. But the thing is, I know somebody. It was somebody who saw me with the ICT course. That nigga Hollow. Shout out Hollow. But I know he was like, he only used 0.5 per trade. But he's going from 1 to 5. You know what I'm saying? So it's going to look different than somebody who's going for, alright, I'm going for 1 to 1 and I'm leaving a runner every single time. Like, that person is going to probably risk a little bit more, probably like 1% per trade, because he has a higher win percentage. Like, win percentage really don't mean nothing. Like, and that's the thing too. Like, a lot of people be focused on win percentage. It really don't mean nothing, because if you going from 1 to 3s plus, your shit gonna look different than fucking somebody who's going for 1 to 1 runner, or somebody who's going for like 1 to 5s plus. Like, it's gonna look different. What your risks are gonna look different and shit. But you speaking facts. If the indicators work for you, that's what matters. Everybody do trade differently. I personally use RSI moving average. That's what I'm saying. There's nothing wrong with that. If you are eating with that, stick to that, bro. Because I ain't gonna lie, like, I'm not even profitable. I ain't gonna sit here and tell niggas, hey, don't do that. Like, if you eating off that shit, do that shit. And a lot of people who be going around be like, oh, bro, use indicator, bro. You trash, bro. So niggas are nowhere near profitable, bro. You know what I'm saying? And even if a nigga is profitable and they saying that, there's a whole bunch of other niggas that are profitable that use indicators. Like, we're not saying that they only use that shit, but y'all niggas know what I mean, though. Like, you just gotta do what works for you, bro, because everybody's mind is different. If we all had the same mind, we'll all literally be using the same exact strategy. Literally, like, that's what we will be doing. So I don't think people really understand that shit. Hold on, let me move my guy now. What the hell? Yeah, fuck it. But yeah, a lot of people really just don't understand that shit. Like, and like everybody trading plan gonna look different too. Like I said, if someone's going for 1 to 5s, since their win rate is lower, they probably gonna be like, yeah, bro, I'm risking like 0.25, 0.50 per trade, because why would I risk 0.5? Hey, what's good, my boy? Hey, we got another KJ in here? Hey, that's tough. That's tough. Hey, that's elite. I be watching your videos. I appreciate that, bro. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate that, man. I appreciate all the love I get from this shit, too. Like, I still remember, like, months ago, I remember it was on the Ninja Trader days. I was posting vids, not getting no views. Like, I swear to God, I wasn't getting no views on my shit. One's 20, 50, 200. Just got a nice payout from FTMO account. 2%, 3% from last withdrawal. Hey, bro, that's good looks, bro. Good shit, man. Keep going. Be consistent with that shit. Keep going up. But nah, this shit really does. It really is crazy, bro. Oh yeah, and I had another category. He said you want to be like you, bro. LOL KJ. I'm dead. But there's hella niggas named KJ out here on me. But he said indicators be straight. Yeah, it just depends. Like don't have too many on that bit. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Just don't abuse that shit. So yeah, I got another category for y'all. So I know niggas was asking me about the YouTube shit. So he said you traded Funny still. I'm on the combine right now. I'm like on the second phase. That's pretty much what I've been trying to do. Like I just been trying to like pass the combine, like, cause what I've been doing, like, since I'm still trying to like get my consistency and shit. Like I really just been, all right, let me get a cheap combine at the 25K, and then let me try to be consistent on there. Because me, like, I can back test and I can win. I still got a consistency and shit like that. Like, but I need to trade live. I need to have live bread without putting a whole bunch of money in my real account. So I'm saving money just doing the combine. He said, LOL YouTube. On YouTube, we got a lot in common. But hold on, let me talk about this shit real quick. But a lot of people was asking me about like the YouTube shit. So yes, I do have another channel. Like where I just be talking about some other shit. Like it's just like an entertainment type channel. And the main reason why I did this is because my entire goal was like, okay, once I get profitable, then I'ma just go do the other shit. But yeah, I got to the point where I was just like, bro, like you over here procrastinating, bro, you might as well do it. And I wouldn't post none of the shit I post over there on this channel because that wouldn't be appropriate. Like I want this to be like strictly about trading, finances and shit like that. Like it wouldn't really make sense to just the type of stuff I post over there, post over here. I'm trying to keep it professional over here. You feel me? But it just like when it comes with the YouTube, I feel like when you go to look at all the other trading YouTubers, like they're still big and they still have a lot of influence, bro. But it's like you can look on all their vids. A lot of them be like, bro, I don't make that much money from YouTube, bro. You know what I'm saying? A lot of them niggas say that shit because in the trading, I wouldn't say you're gonna be making a lot off YouTube. Like the views you do get off trading, like they'll go to like, all right, these percentage of niggas is gonna buy the monthly Discord or course and stuff, and that's how they really make the bread off the YouTube. But the YouTube alone ain't gonna like give them a whole bunch of views or a whole bunch of bread off that. That's why I was just like, I'm gonna do the other YouTube for entertainment because you're gonna make the most bread off entertainment off YouTube. And I was like, I'll grind on that on the side. So if that ever pop off, I'll be getting bread from the YouTube and on the trading. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to be like a god all around this shit. I haven't seen not one nigga of the trading just eat up on the entertainment side of YouTube. I mean, it's two different type of fields. So I mean, shit, that's what I'm really trying to be on. I ain't gonna hold you. He said, let's do a YouTube video. Shit, I don't know. I don't think I ever collabed with a nigga before. I ain't gonna hold you. He said, but yeah, it's another category. But my trading journey so far, bro. He said, I think NAS 100 gonna hold on the 1800 level for LinkedIn. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look at that. Hold on. Shit, oh shit, where the comments go? Damn it. Yeah, damn, I lost that shit. Wait. I think, yeah, there we go. Alright, yeah. But Yeah, my trading journey so far, I don't know about y'all boys, but I think I'm like 2+ years in, bro. And every time I go back and look at my old shit, I be like, dang, bro, I was trash. Dang, bro, I'm way better now. Dang, what the fuck was I doing? You know what I'm saying? Like, just hours and hours and hours into this shit, bro. Documenting everything. I still wish I had the screenshots. Well, I wasn't using the trading journal then on my first combine that I blew. But I swear to God, bro, like, I was so hurt when I lost the account, bro. Like, this was like when I had just posted that withdrawal video, too. And I remember it was getting thousands of views, too, bro. I was like, bro, this is it, bro. I'm finna make it, bro. Like, I can't believe it, bro. Let's go. Oh, my God. That shit hurt when I lost the account. But it just was just another lesson in the market. He said, LOL, I did a video. It's at 1.5 million views. I have a hard time believing that. I ain't gonna lie, I got a hard time believing that, my boy. Shit, what the fuck's in my eye? But yeah, bro, like, everybody trading journey is different, man. Like, that shit. When it comes to the trading journey, everybody different. I wish I could be one of them niggas that was just like, alright, let me just grind, alright, year and a half, and bang, profitable. Alright, let's do it. You know what I'm saying? I wish I could do that shit, but that just wasn't my journey. Eventually, I'm gonna make it with this shit, though. But it's just gonna take some time. I gotta find my strategy, like the ins and outs of that shit. But so far, bruh, I set up with supply and demand. Like, supply and demand is definitely what I see the best. What I've won the most with so far, so that's why I'm just gonna keep kind of capitalize on that. You know what I'm saying? He said I'm trying to collab with everybody in the Forex YouTube niche. I appreciate that, broski. I don't even know if I want to collab right now. I ain't gonna lie to you, but I do appreciate the support, though. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know. Can I see myself collabing with somebody? I really be to myself. I ain't gonna hold you. Bro. And another thing I want to talk to y'all boys about, bro. Risk management, my nigga. Bro. Alright, when it comes to risk management, bro, like, it's kinda not risk management, but like risk to reward. It is ego into that as well, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. It's really ego into that shit, bro. Like, and I realize when it comes to like risk to reward, bro, like, everybody got a certain type of preference, bro. Like, I swear to God, like the scalpers, and this is when I was looking at so many other trading YouTubers. I really don't now, because I feel like that's gonna fuck my head up. I'm gonna be like, dang, he doing this, and I'm not profitable, he profitable. So I really just stopped looking at them niggas. But when I did, it was all really like a personal preference thing. Like, the scalpers would be like, bruh, like, I don't see nothing wrong. Like, the longer you hold in the market, the more you're gonna lose, more likely, bro. So I just scalp and get this, like, your win rate. And the niggas who go for bigger risk to rewards, they be like, bro, win rate don't matter, bro. Like you only getting this amount, you only getting like this small amount, I'm getting this. So it's really personal preference, though. He said, just check me out. Alright, I'm gonna check you out after the live stream, bro. Fucking, I'm trying to get this shit out the way. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, after the live stream, I got you, my boy, for sure. But yeah, it's like, god damn, what the fuck is in my eye? He said, before you knock it, Brody. Yeah, I got you, bro. God damn, I'm over here folding on the live stream and shit. Shit getting in my eye and shit. But yeah, like, it's really just ego in that shit, bro. Like, and that's why I feel you gotta find the perfect balance, bro. I done seen many niggas, they be like, yeah, I stopped going for 1 to 5s. Like, it was way more stressful going for that. And I just cut it down for, like, going for 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s. So, at the end of the day, like, you gotta find out what's best for you, man. Like, you gotta find out, like, okay, what risk to reward can give me a comfort or risk to reward, all that shit, bro. He said, I could help you, bro. I trade supply and demand also. I just want to see you win. I was trying, and I'm like you also. I'm myself person, but I don't mind reaching out if you want to fuck me. Hey, real shit, though. You can show me what you do. Just hit me up in the Discord, though. Yeah, just hit me up in the Discord. That shit. I be talking to everybody in the Discord in there. So if you want to show me what you do and shit, you can hit me up in the Discord. I appreciate that, bro. If you going for 1 to 3s, you must get in aggressive with supply and demand. Like, yeah, you must get in aggressive with that shit. Cause that's what I was trying to do. I'm trying to find a balance where I'm just like, okay, like at the point I'm at now, I really kind of know how supply and demand work, and I'm getting better at market structure. But I'm just like, okay, do I want to wait on rejection, higher win rate, but smaller risk to reward, or do I want to get in aggressive, like lower win rate, but better risk to reward? And I will say this, bro. I will say this: when you get higher risk to rewards, bro. When you get like 2, 3 in a row on God, you feel like a guy. You be like, bro, I'm that nigga, bro. Let's fucking go. I'm him. But then once the losses come, like how they're supposed to, that shit be hurting. But I feel like you gotta know how to manage your losses, though. Like if you know it's not going your way, you're gonna have to cut that bitch instead of trying to take the full loss head on. Or like bro was saying, like you risk less. You know what I'm saying? You capitalize on the winners. You feel me? So it can work like that too, bro. And another thing I want to talk to y'all boys, bro, mental capital, bro. I never thought this existed. I never got to the point of mental capital, bro. Like, he said, I see enough confluence, and then I set my buy limits and sell limits. Hey, that's tough, bro. Hey, like I said, hit me up on Discord, bro. I'm trying to see what you talk about. But yeah, mental capital is a real thing, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. He said, what's my Discord? Let me find this shit. Skirt. Do I have it in the comments in here, bro? Oh, yeah. I do. Let me go ahead and just sauce y'all, boy. Bro, can I? What the fuck am I doing right now? But yeah, I'm yeah, I don't know what I'm doing right now, but fuck it. But I'm gonna put the link in the description after this, though. Yeah, I'm gonna put the link to the Discord in the description after I post this, and put like the little timestamps on it for sure. It says, if you get an aggressive, just mix news and bias time and price. Supply and demand seems to work better when you mix it with some. Bro, I swear to God, like, if you get an aggressive, just mix it in. Yeah, but I feel like my thing is I gotta know. What the fuck this nigga send me? But yeah, I gotta know like when the right time to get aggressive and when to just wait on rejection with supply and demand. But I've just been putting in hours with the slot. Fuck, I'm over here stuttering and shit, fucking with supply and demand and shit. The supply and demand is definitely, that's gonna be my go-to. Like, I instantly gravitated towards supply and demand because it was so easy to understand. And when I went to ICT, like I said, he says order blocks, but it's really kind of like supply and demand, though. I ain't gonna hold you, bro. Like, that's really what it is. That's when I watch ICT shit, that's when I was just like, bro, a lot of this shit is really kind of the same thing. They just put it in different perspectives, bro. And fair value gaps. I don't play fair value gaps, but I know, like, if it bounces off of it, I'm like, alright, bro, we going to the upside, like, on a higher time frame and shit. Like, a lot of this shit really been helping me, bro. It says, send me your Discord. I mean, the Discord link should be in my last video, to be honest, in the description. And what I want to talk to y'all boys about, which this is trading, but this is going to be something else, though, is about investing. Now, I know as traders, we be kind of, for most of the part, like me, like I said, I don't mind coming on here and telling y'all boys I was wrong. Like, I swear to God, I used to be like, bro, investing, hell no, that shit gonna take like 10 years to get some money. Like, hell no, I'd rather just trade and get that bitch in a day. Because I swear, anytime the investors be talking about something, besides crypto, they be like, oh yeah, bro, we got a 8% gain on the such and such. I'm like, 8%? I'm like, bro, niggas be getting that in like a few days, or you know what I'm saying, with trading. I'm like, hell no. But I feel like when you very first start trading, bro, and you learning, bro, it's nothing wrong with like putting your money in some ETFs or the S&P 500 just to grow. It's better than just not doing anything with that bitch. You know what I'm saying? At least your money is compounding in some type of way, or just putting a little bit of your paycheck to the side in investments. Like especially right now, I mean, I'm still trying to wait on a better time. Putting like a little small amount cost dollar averaging and shit. Cause I'm never just gonna go all in on the investment, cause we're like in the bearish market right now. But like I said, I'm just constantly just putting in small amounts. I got some in the ETFs, S&P 500. Like, so when we do go back on the bull run, I'm good. And I don't mind like kind of sacrificing a little bit of money to the side right now just to invest in shit, bro. And it says, and trading on certain times is key. Volume really important. Other certain supply and demand setups gonna get volatile outside. Yeah, I only trade like 9 o'clock to 11. Like, the only reason I trade at 9, I wish I can get up at 8 so I can look at some more forex pairs, but I can't. Like, say like I get off work at like 3 o'clock, and I'll try my hardest to go to sleep, but I'll probably go to sleep at like 4. Like, me just waking up at 8 off 4 hours of sleep, it'll be very hard. So I just get like an extra hour and I'll go to sleep at I'll get up at like 9. So then it'll be 30 minutes before the open, and then I can just look at some forex pairs and shit like that. That's what I usually do. I ain't gonna hold you. But yeah, you gotta show me your supply and demand and shit. Cause like I said, how my supply and demand is pretty much just like Doyle shit, bro. Like Doyle Exchange, it's pretty much just like that. And I use some market structure tips that I got from ICT. I feel like I learned market structure the best from ICT. I can't hold you, but I really don't use no concepts from ICT though. Like liquidity pools and all that shit really did help though. I ain't gonna lie. Like who did y'all niggas learn from? That's what I'm curious to know. Like who exactly y'all learned from? Cause I think I learned from 3 niggas. Like one was Jada Trader. He said I just trade price action. I used to trade price action, but now I'm just like supply and demand. Like, dang, I ain't gonna lie, I went through like 4 courses and I'm really done with them hoes. Like I said, I told you on that other vid, I'm done with courses. Like I'm not doing that shit no more. I feel like I've got enough material to just, alright, let's see what works out of this, because if you just keep going from course to course, bro, you're never gonna get it. And I swear to God, bro, I told niggas I was done with courses. In the comments, these niggas still said, bro, you should go get a course from such and such. Niggas. Bro, did y'all not watch the vid, broski? Like I told y'all I was done. Like, I'm not finna go to bro and then learn a whole new set of shit. Cause when I went to ICT, it was literally like I learned a whole new set of shit. And that was just old material. It wasn't the new YouTube one. I still want to look at the YouTube one, but the old one, bruh, this nigga was a rambling god. A rambling god, bro. I swear to God, bro. And it wasn't like YouTube where you can put the speed on 1.5, bro. Hell no. It was literally PowerPoint. Nigga, I thought I was in school. Like, I gave it to one of my homies, and this nigga he still ain't get through it. And it's been months. I watched that shit twice. Like, that shit, it was a big ramble game, but I'm just like, bro, I'm trying to be profitable. Like, I'm tired of working, nigga, on me. I'm tired of working, nigga. What's on my nose? What else we got on this bit? But yeah, bro, like I got off topic from investing and shit, but a nigga is a little bit geek, so. But yeah, but when it comes to investing, bro, this what I feel like. Have y'all niggas ever like listened to investors and shit? How they talk about trading? They be like, nah, bro, you can't do it and shit. But at the end of the day, bro, if you constantly do it over and over and over and over, like trade and bet testing in the market, like you're gonna get better at that shit. Just like when it comes to investing. And I feel like we might as well invest and hold long term for some shit. It don't gotta be like years, but I say like it can be for some shit like, okay, let's take this little swing trade on Tesla options or some shit, or let's take this swing on Ethereum or some shit like that, because we already have the skill. Like just regular investors who getting fundamentals, they don't have the skill to do what we can do trading, so we might as well invest it for long term things. And we, you know what I'm saying? Like it only makes sense to do that. It only makes sense to put our money that's gonna grow over time. Like we can literally look in the market to see if it's on some bullshit or not. So we might as well invest. And I know it's kind of for us. We'd be like, nah, bro, we need that bitch in the day. We need it in the day. We need the day. You know what I'm saying? But ain't nothing wrong with just holding that shit, bro. It says, shit. I hope you get your time freedom, cause that's what's gonna help you evolve more. I learned from YouTube in one course, Genius Master course class. Yeah, I don't think I know what that is. And I learned a lot from myself from watching the markets a lot. Now I have my own sauce that I've never seen nobody teaching yet. Hey, bro, that's tough as hell. Look, like I said, y'all niggas got some sauce that want to show me. Look, like I said, Discord. On me, Discord, nigga. But nah, like the YouTube, this YouTube helped me connect to a lot of traders, bro. I ain't gonna hold you, like. It did. Like I remember, if it wasn't for this YouTube, I wouldn't have got that ICT course for free. Now he did end up dropping it for free like a few months later on YouTube, but shit, still like that ICT course helped a lot. But yeah, I know. Do y'all think? I got a question for y'all. Do y'all think you would become profitable faster if you had like a good course / mentor, or just learning on your own from YouTube? Cause I mean. Niggas say they did it off YouTube and shit, but I still feel like if you had a 5 course and a 5 mentor, you low key could get it faster than just learning completely by yourself on YouTube. Doing my ICT, but ICT took my trading to a different level and observing live. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like I feel like Doyle, he simplifies it a lot, which for me I like to do. Like I want to simplify my shit. When I watch ICT, like he simplified it more on his YouTube. I still gotta watch some of that. He simplified it more on his YouTube. But I remember like his old course from years ago. This nigga was technical as fuck. I'm like, bro, I don't know if I can trade that technical. Like mentor and course. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I feel like if you want to get trading the fastest, bro, ain't nothing wrong with getting the mentor and the course, bro. And I know some people who get it faster, just learning by themselves. At the end of the day, you can watch all the courses you want, but you're still gonna have to put in hours and hours and hours and hours of back testing. Like that's what you gotta do it regardless. I don't give a fuck if it's ICT, Doyle, whatever, Forest, Trader, Mentor. It don't matter. You gotta put in the hours of back testing. It don't matter what the other niggas say. Man, fuck, I should have took that goddamn the man, bro. I knew it, bro. That big goddamn took off on a nigga. Hell no. But yeah, you the one who gotta put in the work, bro. Like them niggas can't put in the work. They can give you the knowledge, but what sets them niggas apart is experience. Simply Rich, hey bro, hey, what's good, broski? What's good with y'all niggas, man? But yeah, bro, like. Trading, I love trading, but like you know, we can just sit here and talk about this shit all day. You know what I'm saying? It's just so much shit that goes into trading that people don't know. And the reason why I want to become profitable, bro, so bad, not only do I you know what I'm saying, I want freedom and shit, of course, and I want to do the shit I want. But I swear to God, bro, if you let a nigga like me get profitable, bro, and if I get the other YouTube lit, bro, I'm telling you, bro, like, I'm just gonna change the game, bro. That's what I'm trying to do. Like, I'm trying to put so many niggas on from this shit, bro. It all depends on the person. Everybody different, but I feel I learned a lot from myself. Some from YouTube, and I just need some stuff from my mentoring course. Facts. Real shit, let's get this bread. Yes, sir. He said, do you trade GJ? Bro, to be honest, bro, I've really been thinking about trading GJ. I gotta back test it first, but I've been thinking about it, bro. That's all I be hearing about GJ. And I'm not gonna lie, gold has been acting up, bro. Like, I really replaced gold with AUD, but I ain't gonna lie, AUD been pissing me off, so I might see what GJ talking about. He says facts because I've been trading for 2.5 years, just YouTube vids, and I was lost trading tried strategies. And when I got a mentorship, my trading game got professional. Because this is why that's a good. I'm glad you said that. This is why like I've never personally just really wanted to fucking just go off YouTube vids. It's mainly because this, bro. Like, and I've seen niggas besides ICT, they're never gonna put 100% of the sauce in the YouTube vids, bro. They gonna give you a little sprinkle of the sauce, and they like, hey, course, you know what I'm saying? Hey, monthly Discord type shit. You know, they're never gonna give you all the sauce, so it could be like you trading strategies. They don't be trash. It's just not all the sauce. You know what I'm saying? They're leaving out important details because, hey, you know what I'm saying? I give you a little bit of this, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta lead the rat to the trap. I'm not saying they trapping niggas. Some of them be giving good information, but like, they're not always gonna put. They're always not gonna put all the sauce in there, bro. And this, I realized this once I bought a course, and then I looked on their YouTube, and I was like, yeah, dang, he left out this, that type shit. You know what I'm saying? He said gold been going to shit. That's what I'm saying, but gold really been pissing me off. Like, I'm really finna throw that bit in the trash can. Like, I don't want to trade that no more. I ain't gonna lie. Like, it's been blowing me. Like, gaps ain't been hitting. The wicks out of, bro. Wicks everywhere, bro. I'm like, man, what's going on? Like, that shit don't be it, bro. Like, but I'm gonna see what GJ talking about. I gotta before I get on there, I gotta back test that shit at least like 50 plus times. But AUD, that shit low key. I mean, it been pissing me off, but what I've been seeing, it's been hitting a little bit. I ain't gonna hold you. Like, I'm just gonna keep it a buck. And what else on that goddamn note? But yeah, bro, like, if niggas ever want to contact me, bro, like I said, Discord, that shit's free. Join the group for free. Hit me up on there for free if you want to chop it up, talk about trading and shit, bro. That's what I be doing. Day Trading Addict has all the sauce and such as capital if you trade supply and demand. Yeah, I seen Day Trading Addict. I haven't looked at all his trading vids. Are you talking about like he has all the sauce on his YouTube, or he just has all the sauce like in general? Cause I ain't gonna lie, I love supply and demand like that. That has to be my baby. Like, I ain't gonna hold you. I love supply and demand. Like, that's the easiest thing I can read and shit, bro. Like, that's just my thing. Some people think might be price action. Some people think might be trend lines and shit. Like, some people might love the field. It just depends on what you want to do. But I've had the most success off supply and demand, and there hasn't been a lot of success. So I had a little bit of success. I just capitalize on that even more. You know what I mean? How long I've been on live with y'all boys? But that was just a little live. I wanted to chop it up with y'all boys and shit, man. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm probably finna go back test, and I might roll up a blunt ski for the one time. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, bro. On phase 2 of the combine, hopefully I pass. If I fail again, it's back to the drawing board, and we still gonna take our time with that shit. But when I do become profitable, bro, I'm going to remember everybody who was in this bitch, man. Like, the trading channel, YouTube channel, dude got some sauce. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look at that. But yeah, when I ever get up, bro, I'm gonna remember these times, bro. And the reason why I like posting videos on here now, bro, because when I look back, bro, I'm gonna be like, damn, bro, we came a long way. Like, I be looking at the old videos now, like, damn, I'm really grinding through this shit, bro. And I'm surprised I even really have any subs right now. Now I got like 300 subs right now, and I'm not even profitable. I be telling y'all niggas I'm not profitable. I just like to have a community with this shit. You know what I'm saying? There's still niggas who be supporting me. That shit be crazy as fuck, bro. I be like, damn. Wait till I do get profitable. Like, we gonna be lit as fuck. We gonna be lit as hell. But like I said, bro, I hope y'all boys do not blow your accounts. I hope y'all boys eat up in these markets, man. I won't be out there, guy, man. He said, check them out for real, I got you. But I'm not.